Have you ever wondered why some people can walk into a room and instantly win everyone over? Most people think it's charm or natural charisma, but psychology says something completely different. And once you understand this, you'll never look at likability the same way again. People assume being instantly likable means being loud, extroverted, or endlessly social. But that assumption misses the deeper reality. Because what looks like effortless warmth from the outside is actually a pattern built on subtle psychological cues. Cues that shape trust, comfort, and emotional safety within seconds. 1. The softened gaze. They make eye contact, but not too sharply, and most people think it means they're just being polite. But psychology calls this the warmth signal, a cue where relaxed eye contact reduces perceived threat and activates social bonding circuits in the brain. This isn't because they're trying to impress anyone. It's because their mind naturally prioritizes emotional safety, and others feel it instantly. 2. Microvalidation. They nod at the right moments, and most assume it's just habit. But this taps into active listening theory, where small gestures tell the other person, "Your thoughts matter here." This isn't people-pleasing. It shows they understand how to create psychological space where others feel seen. 3. Echoed energy. They subtly match your tone or speech pace, and people think it's coincidence. But psychology calls this mirroring, a subconscious synchronizing behavior that boosts rapport and makes the brain categorize someone as safe and familiar. It reveals they're socially intuitive, picking up emotional cues most people miss. But here's where it gets deeper. 4. The gentle slowdown. They slow their movements or speech slightly when someone seems tense, which many see as just being calm. In reality, this reflects co-regulation, a mechanism where one person's nervous system stabilizes another's through consistent grounded cues. It shows they intuitively prioritize harmony over dominance. 5. The subtle self-disclosure. They share just a small personal detail early in conversation, and people assume they're being open. But this follows the principle of reciprocal vulnerability. When you reveal something minor, it signals trust, encouraging the other person to relax and open up too. It means they understand that connection thrives on balanced emotional exchange. And this is the reason the behavior confuses so many people. Psychologists talk about something called social attunement, the idea that some individuals naturally read emotional environments with sharper sensitivity. People who do these things often rank higher in interpersonal awareness and unintentionally create stronger bonds than they realize. So no, being instantly likable doesn't mean you're fake, manipulative, or overly accommodating. In reality, it means you're someone who knows how to read people, someone whose mind operates with a deeper awareness of emotional nuance. What others see as effortless charm is often a sign of finely tuned intuition. If you've ever done these things, it's not an accident. It's a psychological pattern shaped by your brain's need for connection, clarity, and social stability. And the more you understand it, the more control you gain over the impressions you make and the relationships you build. If you want to understand the hidden psychology behind why people behave the way they do, subscribe. Because here, we don't just watch people, we decode them.